Whoa, look at that bunch of bananas right there. Hello. Yeah, somebody just chopped that down. Look at that. Container right there. And guess what? We have a container home, as they call them, but also people call them kit homes. That was used to be in there. There's still some in there. Bananas usually don't come with the kit home, but here in Fiji, if you want those, we'll hook you up with them. Look, there's some banana palms right here. And on your own property, you'll have bananas. And guess what? Look at this. Cool. So it usually comes from the container, just like this. And it turns into that. Oh wait, no, that's Asbar. It turns into this. So this is a Fraemohs container home, one of the higher end kit homes that do work here in Fiji. And the cool thing is we're in Vuda right now. Asbar and I are in Vuda, V-U-D-A, and we are literally minutes from the Vuda Marina, first landing. And guess what? The beach is right on the other side of Asbar, just over there. We can really, literally walk to the beach in, I don't know, 2 minutes, which is literally just to the left of us. This is going to be coming for rent. And so if you're coming to Fiji full-time, part-time, if you have business employees, let's say, that you need to get in the Western Division, you're working in Suva or maybe even Singatoka, and you want to have somebody in the Western Division, well, this is a good one. Or if you're an expat or foreigner and you want to have a cool little pad in Fiji and you want to rent it, this is a good one because it's an all-inclusive rent. So it's on about 1,100 square meters, about a quarter acre here in Vuda. And I'm going to walk you around and show you they're still doing some work over here. Not even ready. So you will be the first person actually in here. So you can see they have this beautiful recessed lighting and the ceiling fans outside. Nice covered patio here. This outside is going to be a nice outside shower area. And you're going to have a couple bedrooms here. We're going to go check those out. Nice slider. And this is one of my favorite things, actually. I had this in Austin, Texas, when I had a place there. But this polished concrete, really love it. It's just super easy to maintain. And it has that kind of cool look. It's just very natural. And it's very low maintenance. Easy to sweep up. If you spill something, no problem. And then you can also put, throw rugs and things like that down. So polished concrete floors. Here's some of that Pacific green furniture. Nice island there too for entertaining, and you're gonna have a fully stocked kitchen. So this is gonna be self-contained, fully furnished. You're gonna have a flat screen TV here. Aircons inside. You have one here in the living area and then one in one of the bedrooms. And this is some of the local artists, is a friend of the owner, so he commissioned a few pieces here. Here you have a nice bench that's gonna be going in, some more sitting areas. And I'm gonna walk you around, and obviously not completed yet, but this is going to go very quickly. So we wanted to get this on our website. We told the owner, hey, let's get this up because we have such a demand for housing in Fiji right now because everything is full. Everybody from around the world is coming to Fiji, whether it's for their honeymoon or coming out to surf or to fish or to just enjoy the beach or maybe a honeymoon or family event. Even a lot of businesses are bringing their employees out here for nice special weekends and trips, incentive trips. So here you have utility sink and laundry machine. You have your toilet area, so nice area here. And then you have great kitchen. Look at the huge granite countertops. And this comes with everything, the kettle, the micro, stainless steel, fridge, freezer combo, this nice island. So check this out, and then you have a nice little pantry area, so you can put everything in there. And if you want to put something, a little curtain or something to block that off, you can certainly do that. That's the beauty of these kit homes. They kind of give you everything that you need, and then you kind of just sort of add things on and customize them to however you want. So really cute. You're going to love this. And the location, like I said, you can walk to the beach. So here's the outside, and you can see some of the other lots over here in Vuda. And this is one of the roads that'll actually take you to some of the other resorts. Here's your water tank. Now you are on mains power and water, but you have a backup water tank and a sewerage system here. And you can see that. And you get these nice support poles here. And they're still building over there. Check that out. And if you want to come to Fiji and you want to do some work, and hey, give us a call. We'll put you to work here at Professionals. You can get investor permits here to set up your own business. So if you want to come here, not just for holiday, but you actually want to come here and do some work or train some Fijians, hey, gosh, let us know and we'll get you in touch with the right ministries so you can add some value, come here and enjoy yourself, but also do some work and earn a living while you're here too. But most people come here and just enjoy the holidays and the surfing and fishing. So here's the bathroom. This is going to be the outside shower area here. So they're still installing that. You can hear them. See, look at that VIP. He doesn't even know we're behind him. Looking pretty good to me, right? Look at that. Behind the scenes. This is like behind the scenes, you know, one of those shows on TV. You can actually see how everything's built. This is another one of the artists locally here. Commissioned this piece, this beautiful mirror, and that's going to get hung right there. This is another outside area, and you have this whole area that's fenced. This is all going to be for you. Here's another one of the air cons, and the built-ins, and the wardrobes here are built in. And you have a nice nightstand and lamps, and these aluminum powder-coated louvers. And you have, again, inside door access from the back and also from the front here off the slider. So I hope I gave you a lot to think about. We are in Vuda, V-U-D-A, about 30 minutes from the international airport and domestic airports in Nandi. And gosh, only about 15 minutes from Lautoka, Sugar City, the port city of Lautoka, and some incredible shopping over there too. Bren loves going over there to do some shopping at some of the great markets that they have there in Lautoka. All right, well, we're gonna say Vinaka Vaka Levu. Let these guys get back to work, April, so they don't see like a good-looking real estate agent with a camera over here bothering them. This is gonna be your gated entrance, by the way. And you can see they've already poured the concrete here. They're still doing some work. So all this fenced area, all of this is going to be for whoever rents this property. Go to professionalsfiji.com and we're going to give you the full details of this really cool property. And you have your own private driveway. And I'm just going to show you here. It's literally, so this fence line here, there's a little access road. And this is a gated community also, which is awesome. So you have an electronic gate for the property, and you're also going to have one for the Nalamu Estates property here in Vuda, next to First Landing Resort. And there's some other Nila Resort is close by here, and several others, and some really good restaurants here. Actually, they do, I think it's Wednesdays, like 2-for-1 pizzas and stuff like that. But we'll get you all dialed into all the specials and where to go. And here we go. You can see, so there's look, this road just kind of cuts, and you go left right there, and then there's a beach access there. But I'm gonna cheat and kind of just show you right here, just so you know that I'm telling the truth. Look at that. Yee-hee! Water's right there. Really nice beach. You can walk all along here. And the marina for Vuda is just that way as well, and you can walk right over there. But there you go. There's your mains power. And other people are, looks like they're going to be putting in some of these container and kit homes as well. But other people have built these really nice houses. So if you're coming to Fiji and you want to build your own, hey, let us know. We have plenty to look at. Go to professionalsfiji.com and call us 679-999-2051 or on WhatsApp or direct at 1-480-444-6688. And with that, we say Vinaka Vaka Levu. Ray Vinaka. That means I like it a lot. And there we go. That could be your cool little rental place, and you'll be going to be the first person that's going to enjoy this. And there's so many cool, great activities really close by here. So grab all your water sports gear, your boat, and if you really need to, we'll put you to work. These guys have a lot of extra tools laying around. All right, we'll see you later. Have an awesome day. Asbar's waiting for me. Vinaka.